today Fikes from Fikes Brace and Limb out in Mesa, Arizona. I'll let you kind of explain the industry and what you do here.
This is a 2mm nozzle that I made for this Pro 2 Plus. And we're printing a part that's going to be about 350 millimeters tall. But I use this for production to print prosthetic sockets every day. So I go through lots. I've already used one of these. It took 5 months to use it. But this Pro 2 Plus and the Pro 2 have been excellent for true vase mode printing. We also are able to use the smaller filament on the other side to print our fine pieces. So I am extremely happy with this printer. It's half the cost of dedicated vase mode printers that we buy in prosthetics to print prosthetic sockets. This is a model of my house. I'm about to do some remodeling and to scale. By using the 0.4 nozzle on the other side, we get beautiful resolution. I could have gotten it even tighter than this, but